like this one. Pang OOTD. Ay!
We were supposed to go to Valley of Fire, but sudden change of plan, we just decided to go to Red Rock and visit Ikea first. So, breakfast time muna.
Ikea. Haha. So, if you notice yung office ko where I put all my makeup, mga organizer, everything came from Ikea. Because it's cheaper, you just have to install it or build it yourself. But Ikea is always a fun place to get your home stuff. So join us while we explore what they have inside.
As you enter, you will be welcomed by some of the furniture display, so it will give you the idea of what you're looking for. Just like the king-size bed that we saw. The ground floor also is where you can leave your kids while you go shopping. There's also the cart corner where you have to use the elevator so you can go to the second floor. On the second floor is where the adventure begins. The dining area is currently closed. Boo-hoo! I wish we can grab some of my favorite meatballs.
Idea, guys, but not really because I want my office space to be really separated, but since I'm working sometimes with my vlog and stuff like that, hiwalay kami ng husband ko kasi nasa living room siya, but that's a good idea. So while he's watching TV, I can work on my stuff there. Honey! Flick!
We actually forgot to grab a card, so the husband has to go down and get one.
Let's explore. So for condo type, I think this is a good idea. Small space. Oh, I like that. So yeah, it's a little space over there. Dining, pretty cool. And in our a big counter at the middle. With the good organizers here. Look at that. And look at that. It's pretty cute. Yeah. Yep. Very cheap. I like that. Tayo lang nasa Pinas.
We'd have to get all metal pieces.
That is big convenient. Guys. Look at that. See? It's nice. I like it. You did.
That's so funny.
Hi.
Like my least favorite at all, and you like it.
I like
Least
that.
favorite kitchen you've seen so far, and you like it.
That. I like this one.
This
I
is
like
right
that.
here.
I like this one. Pang OOTD. Ay! You can do that. You can do that. Ang ganda niya. I like it. Have this one that goes up and down. That's cool. It's so cute. Little patio here. Look at that. Ang ganda. I like that. I like it. You can put like yung hanging pots for the small plants. That's nice. Houses that don't have a walk-in closet, so we just got an idea here. So you can just put a wall where your bed is, and like what the husband was saying, maybe we can put like a sliding barn door from for both sides, and yeah, and you can just put these compartments so you can make a walk-in closet. And see that? It's directing to the bathroom. I think that's a good idea. Good job, honey.
Good use of space.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Nice.
So in here, so sa mga may condo, that's a good idea. Like living room here. Look at that. All the compartments. And then studio type. You can just have this mounted. Bedroom here, bathroom there. And the kitchen. I like the kitchen. I like the big sink like that.
Really good use.
Let's see. One for my photos pag nagsaset up ako minsan. So, magandang props na yan. Huh? Yeah, these are the plates that they have. Oh my gosh. So, this is kind of my shade of plates. This is for the fun. And now they have that. It's actually small. For the coffee cup. Ito ako sa unan bath because of my wide belt. I need something pag naka side ka kasi, diba, nakaganon ka na, kaya kailangan ko ng fluffy pillow. But mahirap maghanap ng magandang unan because they're soft or they're firm, pero pag hinigian mo, it will be flat. So yeah, so naghahanap ganda. This is the one that I saw. A little, yeah, pricey, but I think it will give me good sleep.
Good example here.
See, oh, that's the high pillow. Ergonomic. So I want a high pillow. But the high pillow that they have, see that? Mahihiga ka ng 2 oras, ganyan na siya. So flat na din.
I think
I need this one, smaller one.
it's
What
only
is that?
$2.99. I'm definitely gonna get that.
What is it? Scissors?
Yeah.
Very useful for microwave cover. Okay.
This is $20.
Okay.
Do you want that one? Or the smaller one?
For the egg, I prefer the one that we have, that size. So this is where the pots are, pans, the kitchen stuff. It's a good investment kung pagdating naman sa tulog, diba? So pikit mata na tayo. We're gonna grab one. Yeah, got a pillow there. Looking for Glenn's spoon, yung plastic, yung for the kids. Kasi nga naman, masarap siyang gamitin when it comes to eating ice cream.
Ice cream or eggs or pudding. When you're eating something soft, it's nice to have a
Yes.
soft spoon, you know?
We bought it like in a pack, but I don't know what happened. It's like, it's all gone.
Lost them all.
He got only one left. But, yung spoon na ginugo, hindi pa rin namin makita. And we got some couple of stuff here already. I like that idea. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
A stool? You want a stool?
Short in height problems. Ba't ba nga ako kinukulit kumuha ng stool? Why are you forcing me to get a stool?
Because you're a Filipina. You're short. So you don't have to call me, hey, can you come grab this from the top, please?
The Ikea trip here in Las Vegas. This is where I got my stuff from my office. like yung mga cubicles ko and where I put my makeup. So yeah, we've spent like $100 and something. It's worth it because nagpamahal lang talaga yung pillow, which I explained earlier why we got that pillow. And yeah, I know there's one in the Philippines, particularly in Manila. So if you have been there, I don't know if it's already open, but kung nanggaling na kayo doon or hindi pa, just comment down below what you're looking forward to buy in there or what did you already buy. And then yeah, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get an update for my future vlogs. Right? So yeah,
And follow on Instagram.
yes, follow on Instagram as well. Oh my posh. Until next time, loves. Thanks for watching.